Yo guys, what's going on? So today I'm gonna be redoing my interior for the most part. Basically all the white, all the plastic dip is gonna be coming off. All of that, it's gonna be no more. And then this, you guys didn't even see. I just wrapped it just because I wanted to and I had nothing else to do, and I had this color in stock and I went ahead and did it. Clearly I'm not the best wrapper because it's really high tense area here, so it started bubbling up, as you can see right there too. And then yeah, not the best wrap. So what I'm going to be doing is painting it, and the color I'm going to be going with is really close to Nardo gray. It's going to be a really dark gray, I guess you would say, so it'll look nice. Get rid of all that too, that's nasty. Yep, the tack bezel as well. Anything that's plastic dipped white is going to be Nardo gray. Yeah, do air quotations. And yeah, I didn't plastic dip this. I actually wrapped this black, which actually turned out really nice, so I'm gonna keep it like that. It's a nice touch, nice accents there, so we'll definitely do that. So I'm just gonna take everything apart here and bring her inside and go from there. Okay, so got most of the parts from my car inside here. This is gonna be like my makeshift paint booth, if you want to see. So I just literally bought 2 boxes, cut one in half, and then made a border, and then one for the ground. And yeah, that shouldn't really put any paint anywhere on the floor, so that is awesome. I'm just gonna go ahead and disassemble everything here, and then take off the vinyl, take off the plastic dip on those, and yeah, and we'll go from there. So turns out this piece, I don't know, I tried to take it off. The back is literally plastic dip because it falls off, but the front, I don't know what they did. It feels like plastic dip, but it's not coming off, so I'm gonna have to sand it. That's gonna be fun. Yeah. I'm gonna sand these, sand all that as well, get them ready for some paint. Alright, so that's the paint we got. We got some gloss dark gray. And then I got some primer as well, and then some clear coat. So all 3 of them are gonna go on all these parts. They're gonna look minty, gonna look good. And yeah, let's get to sanding this thing. Hello? Okay, so there's a lot of paint, plastic dip on here, so I just had a little imperfection there. Sanded that off, same with up here, sanded that off to make it nice and smooth. made sure this whole base was smooth. So I'm just gonna go ahead and prime this one first, just to test it. Yeah. Also, once you prime it, make sure you sand it so the paint will stick, and also you get rid of all the imperfections, because after you paint it with the base coat, you ain't gonna be able to fix it after that. So whenever you prime something, that's when your last ditch effort to make it perfect will be. So yeah, what I'm going to do is, I really wish there was holes in a better spot, but I'll figure it out. So I have this like tie wire here, so I'm gonna basically hang it from the top of my booth there, so it'll be like in the midair, so I can spin it and whatnot, get every which way I need to, and yeah, and then I'll be able to hang it up so it can dry, make sure all the coats are dry before starting your next one. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Alright, so I found a little clip here with a little hole in it, so I just stuck it through there and then stuck it right in the top. So it's actually hanging, and now I can paint. This will be fun. So I got this primer here. We're gonna throw this on. I'm gonna say 3 coats of this will do. So of course, your first coat, you want about 50% coverage, so not all the white's gonna be gone. Second coat, that's when you want all the white gone, and then the third one is just a nice layer to add on to that. And yeah, and then after that we'll sand everything and then base coat it. Alright, so there's all 3 base coat, not base coat, so there's all 3 primer coats on it. So we're gonna let that dry, let it cure, and then we're gonna sand it, take any imperfections out of the base there, and then we'll throw on the base coat, and then after we'll throw on some clear coat, and she's gonna shine like new. So I really want this color to be really close to like Nardo gray, so that's why I kind of chose like a dark gray. That's the closest one I could find, so yeah, I'm pretty sure it'll look really nice with the black interior, and yeah, instead of that weird blue that I chose, because yeah, who knew? Alright, let's do it. Alright, so got everything painted, cleared, and yeah, ready to go back in the car. All we need to do is just throw all these extra pieces inside all these parts, and then we'll go back to the car and we'll install everything, and yeah, I'll show you how it looks. The paint actually turned out really well. Look at that. Oh, look at that shine. Oh yeah. So yeah, this paint's gonna last a lot longer than my wrap job, so I'm happy about that. So get to installing all these parts.